Hey you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Colleen, and if you're new around here and want to know a little bit about me, here we go. On my channel, we are going to talk about small business life. So I do markets here in Charleston locally. I have a small business myself. It is focused on plants and home decor that's wooden. I went to Charleston Woodworking School and graduated last June and learned how to make fine furniture. So I'm incorporating that knowledge into smaller scale home decor items because it's one, easier to build for myself as a one-woman shop, but also a little bit more fun because you have leeway and whatnot with what you are creating. Also, I was in the Coast Guard. So I got out of the Coast Guard and went straight into woodworking school and now have my small business. Been around for about 2.5 years now, pushing 3 at the beginning of next year. So we're still learning. It's very learn as you go process here on this channel, but some of the content that you guys will be able to see are DIYs from previous builds and different things that I've done around my house. I also do market vlogs, share on the small business side, and I also try and do custom builds that individuals commission me for. So I enjoy making market displays. I'm very knowledgeable in what we need here in Charleston and what a market vendor is looking for. So I like to bring their dreams and make them a reality for them. I still pinch myself that people want my stuff that I make in their home. Blows my mind. But that's just what you're gonna get here at this channel. I try and keep it pretty relaxed, but I'm also ridden and riddled with anxiety. So I hope you guys know that too. Definitely not perfect. If any of my videos come across like, oh man, this girl knows exactly what she's doing, they won't, because I like to share in my mess ups and whatnot and showcase them to you guys. But that is gonna wrap up this little about me. Meet me if you want to join on this journey. Hit that subscribe button. Love to see you guys, and thank you so much for watching the videos, and go check out some of them on my page currently. Okay, bye!